Here it is asked us that to derive the formula for mole in case of continuous series. Okay, so for this we'll make a histogram, and I hope you can see my drawing. This is the drawing of histogram, and what we'll write here is this is x. Uh, this is xk minus 1 class. This is xk, and this is xk plus 1, and this is xk plus 2. Okay, I know it is not what's in it, but I hope you got it. If you got it, then you can write and you can make it watchable in your own copy. So now we will let here fk minus 1. The frequency here will be fk minus 1. Here the frequency will be fk a little bigger, and the highest frequency, okay, need to be fk plus 1 here. So now, yeah, we'll just let give the name here. Give here young, and the thing here, the point will be young. So will I write like this one. Okay, I hope you understand. You will write it in your copy and you just watch it. Then you will get everything, okay? And just write what I'm writing. The point here is A, okay? This point. The point here is B, okay? This point. And the point here will be C, in the point here will be D. You can name any point, but right now, if you write it in your copy and just give the point name that I'm giving, then it will be easier to understand the theory part, okay? So we'll let this angle and this angle, these are vertical to opposite angle, is theta, okay? And this angle is phi, okay? So this angle phi, this angle theta. So angle NMC will be theta, and DML, that will also be theta, as they are vertical opposite angle, both are equal. So BMN and NMA, sorry, AML, both are equal. AML and BMN, okay, that will be phi, and both are equal as vertical opposite angle, okay? So now going to P and R, okay, those two things I've given the name. So this is on the figure. Now we'll consider as we have to write here, consider the following distribution of model class xk minus 1. The model class will be, okay, for any two things, okay, xk minus 1, k minus xk plus 1, okay. So the frequency will be fkn, and now in a triangle LDM, this is the theory part, okay, LDM, and here the angle is theta, and if we take tan theta, okay, that will be perpendicular upon base, and that will be LD, perpendicular upon base, and that will be LM, the base here, okay. Where in triangle N and C, tan theta will be NC by Mn, okay. It is also perpendicular with this in N, M, N and C, okay. NC is perpendicular and base is N, okay. So, and both are equal as they are tan theta, vertical opposite angle. So LD by LM is equal to MC by Mn, okay. So from this, I'll increase the brightness, okay. I hope you are getting it, okay. Now from here we can write LM by Mn, which is equal to LD by NC, simple relations, okay. And then in triangle, we'll take the triangle of phi triangle, like phi angle, BMN, okay. In triangle PO, we can write tan phi is equals to BM by NM, and in triangle A also, we can write tan phi is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is LA by BLA, okay. You can see the figure also, and you can draw the figure, and you can understand it very well enough, okay. So from this, both should be equal, and we can write BN by NM is equals to LA by LL, okay. So LA by LM, and now we can write this also as this will be LM by N M or Mn, okay. This will be equals to LA by BN, okay. LM by MA, LM by N, both are LM by Mn, okay. So this and this should also be equal. I'm writing the same thing, okay. Now here, so we are up to here when we wrote LM by Mn is equal to LD by NC is equal to LA by BN, and when LD by NC is equal to LA by BN, we can write like this, that LD plus LA by NC plus BN will also be equal to this thing, and also be equal to this thing, and also be equal to this thing, okay. And this is simple fraction thing, you have to remember this thing. So from the figure, okay, what we had in figure was like this. I will again have to make the figure, okay. This is the hard part. This is the hard part. And now L, and this will be M, and this will be N. So, and A, this will be D, this will be C, this was B. So remember, and this is P, this is R, and when L D plus L A is A D. Okay, so I write here A D by N C, N C, and B N. B N is B C. Okay, so L M by M N is equal to A D by B C. Okay, a little confusing part is here. Okay, but don't get confused. It is true. Yeah, you can verify it by just putting this is equal to K. You can verify this also. This is true. Okay, so if this is true, if you have to just remember them, just remember like LD plus T is LD plus TA, LD plus TA, LA, sorry, LA will be equal to AD. Okay, you have to just say these two things, LD, LA. We here also NC, BN. Okay, so we get AD upon BC. Okay, to remember, only to remember. Okay, so when you get AD by BC, we can write like LM by MN is equal to AD by BC. So LM, what is LM? Remember L here. So LM is LM, nothing. Yeah. And Yemen, but Yemen is different. Okay. Yem, and what is Yemen? If you see it closely, that is Yemen is what we had. I think what we forget it in our diagram was the Yal part. The Yal is this. Okay, from here to here. Just a small mistake, and I have to draw all the figure. Okay. So what we forget here was the part. This will be Yal. In the part this is class interval, so we'll denote it by yachts. Okay, so the point in the middle will be Q, and the point here will be, and here will be R. Okay, all other things are same. So we were up here when we wrote Ln by Lm is equal to AD by BC. Ln is same, and Mn will be Ln minus Ln. Lm will be Ln minus Lm. Okay, Mn, sorry, Mn will be Lm minus Lm. Okay, Ln minus Lm. So AD will be P. AD will be PD minus PA. Okay, PD minus PA, and BC will be BR minus RC. So I'll let RP minus RC. Same thing. Okay, Ln by, remember Ln is yachts. Okay, class leader. So instead of Ln I write yachts. Ln is Ln. So PD, if you see PD, it is FK. Okay, highest frequency. FK minus FK minus 1 is PA is FK minus 1. So divided by RB is FK plus 1. Sorry, RB is here the frequency of this class, so that will be FK, and RN will be RC will be, it is up here. So FK plus 1. Okay, frequency of this thing is FK plus 1, frequency of this is FK minus 1 is FK. Okay, so frequency FK we'll put here. When we just put everything here, and now we'll have to simplify and find out Lm. Okay, Lm is equal to so okay, now Lm, I'll write here Lm, that will be equals to Lm times it will go up to here, so Fk minus Fk plus 1, and that will be equals to S minus Lm times Fk minus Fk minus 1. Okay, now again I will write the same thing here, that is Lm Fk minus Fk plus 1 is equal to S minus Lm Fk minus Fk minus 1. If we simplify, you will get Lm, which is equals to Fk minus Fk minus 1 by 2 times Fk minus Fk plus 1 minus Fk minus 1. Okay, and this is what you will get multiplied by S. Okay, multiplied by S. You have to simplify simple terms, and also from histogram we can say Lm is equal to Pq, and you can see that Lm. Okay, again we can Mr. So here in histogram we can see this is M, this is Q. So Lm means L into M is equal L times M. This is L, this is L, and this is PQ. So Lm and PQ are same. Okay, now if you see these things, Lm and PQ are same, then you can write like this, that rm is equals to pq, and pq is equals to same thing, okay? But we know that mode, what is mode? Modal value mode is equals to op plus pq, okay? O is here, okay? op plus pq, and model is up here. Model that is the middle, okay? This is the model value middle, okay? So this middle is q, so oq is model value, so oq means op plus pq, okay? So op plus pq is model value. So from here pq will be mod minus op, okay? So we'll like pq and we'll substitute mod minus op, so we'll like mod, and minus op will go there. So minus op means, let's see again, op is here, we saw that thing, okay, earlier. So op is here, so we can write op minus, so op is minus here, it will just, we have to replace pq by mod minus op, okay? And oop, okay, and op is what? Yal, okay? Then this is minus here, and it will go here, and it will become positive. So mod will be young, and plus same thing like fk minus fk minus 1 by 3 fk minus fk minus 1 minus fk plus 1 multiplied by h. Okay, so this is the formula for a mod, okay? So what is the formula? Yeah, mod is equal to L plus, we have to write capital L, and it was a capital 1. So fk minus fk minus 1 and 2 fk minus fk minus 1 minus fk plus 1 multiplied by h, and this is the formula. Take